Hello, welcome to MarineMax. I'm here today to show you this gorgeous Scout 355 LXF. This is Bill Mascus with MarineMax in Stuart. As you can see, this boat is powered by triple 300 Mercury Verados. Awesome VA power, a lot of torque. This boat will fly over 60 miles per hour. Please welcome aboard. As you can see, a unique swim platform. There is no basing to obstruct your way around the boat. You can easily maneuver on and outboard boat from one side to the next without any issues. Over here, another convenience, it's your engine flush. You do not need to go from motor to motor to motor. You just connect your garden hose right over here and you flush all three motors. Looking in, you have a very substantial gate into the boat. It closes very securely, so if you have kids around, you have no worries of them figuring out how to get out of the boat. Very nice opposing seating right over here. It gets right out of the way if you want to fish the boat. And also this seat becomes a convenient spot to either have some drinks. You can see it has the non-slip coat over it, and you can add a cutting board over here to chop your bait. Your live well is right over here. Huge live well. As you can see, two fish boxes, your bilge, a nice dive door. Very, very wide. Look at this width. It goes totally out of the way, and you have the ladder, which is stored right next to it. The buttons right in here. Very, very nice way to get in and out of the water, especially if you're diving. Also, you can have drink holders when the gate is open, or bottle holders for the same matter. Grab rail all around the boat. You feel very secure, and the bolster cushions any blow to your knees or to your hips. Coming to the helm area, triple seating with bolsters, high quality seating. You can see triple screens. You can basically the interchangeable information on each screen. It can be changed. Over here is all your switching, very clean, very professional look to the whole helm area. Vessel view for the motors, trim tabs, the all important joystick, which it helps you not only in docking but also when you're fishing, you're auto heading, you're trolling a few lines, you can keep a steady course without worrying your lines getting tangled. The skyhook, GPS anchor, keeping you in place while you're waiting for a fuel dock or a restaurant or whatever it may be. And then of course your autopilot when you have a route planned to follow. Fish finder already on the boat. As I said, your trim tabs, AC on the boat. It's battery operated AC. And you also have solar panels up on the roof that charge the whole system, while a supplementary charge to your motors charging the system as well, extending the life of the battery and the usability of the battery. Digital controls for your motor. Everything is fly-by-wire. So top technology basically on the boat. Moving forward, you have an awesome bow area. Two people can very comfortably enjoy the lounge right over here, as well as over here with a lot of storage all around. The table is electrically actuated up and down over there, 3 positions all the way down to the floor. Middle stop, you can have a filler cushion, or all the way up to be used as a table. Up front, have your windlass. With remote control over here and also controlling the helm. Top quality Lumer hardware. Around you can see we have all kinds of rod holders that can double up and assist us on the deployment of a bow shade and or our endeavors while we're fishing. Sound control, Infusion is right over here with a separate zone for the bow area. And then right underneath here, you have substantial storage. This is basically the ladder that we can put all the way to the back and come into the boat, in addition to the ladder that we have over the dive boat. Up on top, we have outriggers, so the boat is ready to go out and fish. We have the solar panels, as I mentioned before. You can add the optional radar, open array, or any other configuration that you may want, like night vision or thermal vision. So there is space for everything up on top. Lastly, and I'll let you come through. We have the cabin area, which is pretty substantial for the 35-foot boat. You can hear the AC is already on, and it's performing through the inverter. There is a filler that makes the whole thing as a bed downstairs, and then you have a substantial head area to use it when you need to. Over here as well, you have your power panel, all electric switches. So you have a very, very nice package in this boat. You can overnight, you can fish, you can entertain, gorgeous bow area, you can dive. Really, a Swiss Army knife on the water. Thank you for taking the time to check out this boat. Would love to show it to you in person or in Zoom if you are not able to come in. This is Bill Maskas, and we are MarineMax Stuart. Thank you.